Yesterday, a patient asked me, "Doctor, can ghee really burn fat or is it just a myth?" I smiled and said, "Depends. Use it the wrong way, you will gain weight. Use it right way and your body will start burning fat like never before." Shocked? You should be. Because what you have been told about ghee is half the truth. Let me show you the real way to use ghee for weight loss before you make another mistake. Hi, I'm Dr. Vikas Sangotra. Welcome to eBlosis. Before we start today's video, you must know that Ayurveda suggests starting any treatment after you know your body type. But how to know your body type? How to know your body's condition? So there is a link in the description. Click on it, answer a few questions, and you will get a personalized report about your body's prakriti, the level of toxicity yama, the status of metabolism, the Agni, and current imbalance of doshas. And guess what? It's free. Yes. So is ghee a fat burner? Let's break it down logically using Ayurvedic principles to understand how ghee fits into the concept of weight loss. Let's start with, first of all, we will understand the body's energy reserves. Our body primarily uses carbohydrate metabolism for energy. However, we have two main energy reservoirs to keep bodies nourished when the gut is empty. So number one is a short-term reservoir, that is carbohydrate. This is stored in liver as a glycogen. When body needs energy, insulin helps convert glucose into glycogen and it gets stored in the liver. Later, when the gut is empty, glucagon helps convert glycogen back into the glucose to fuel the body, especially the central nervous system. Number two is a long-term reservoir, that is fat. This is stored in the body's adipose, that is fat tissue. In the fasting phase, when glycogen stores are low, fatty acids are broken down into triglycerides and used as energy for cells. While the central nervous system continues to rely on glucose from the glycogen, it is important to note that any excess glucose, once the liver's short-term reservoir is filled, is converted into triglycerides. Likewise, extra protein in the diet is also converted into the fats. Now we will discuss ghee and its role in metabolism. Our body primarily uses carbohydrate metabolism for energy, with the secondary reliance on fat metabolism. This means that when our body carbohydrate stores are depleted, the body turns to fat as an alternative energy source. This process is a key in Snehapana, an Ayurvedic therapeutic practice where body temporarily switches to fat metabolism when glucose from the carbohydrates is restricted. When you consume ghee in a controlled way, especially in higher doses, you encourage the body to utilize its fat stores for energy, which can support fat burning and weight loss. The key here is moderation. Ghee doesn't automatically make you lose fat unless it's the part of a controlled, purposeful intake plan. So think of a Snehpan as a method where the body is gently pushed into a state of glucoprivation, a reduction in glucose availability. During this process, your body uses fat stores for energy. Now, when you consume ghee first thing in the morning on an empty stomach, it activates the digestive fire, Agni, and aids in the transition into fat metabolism, so making it a powerful tool for weight loss. But there is a caveat. Ghee works as a fat burner only when taken in higher doses and as a part of your daily routine. When consumed correctly, it boosts Agni, the digestive fire, leading to better metabolism, enhanced fat breakdown, and improved digestion of stored fat. Number three is the importance of timing and dosages. To see actual weight loss benefit from the ghee, the timing and the doses matter. Ghee should be taken on an empty stomach, preferably in the morning, to maximize its benefit, which are particularly related with the weight loss. In Ayurvedic terms, this helps rejuvenate Agni and jumpstart the metabolic processes for the day. It's like giving your digestive system a kickstart, allowing it to burn fat more effectively throughout the day. So for weight loss, moderation is crucial. While ghee has many health benefits, Taking it in excessive amount or at the wrong time can hinder the body's ability to burn fat efficiently. Ideally, 30 to 60 grams of ghee daily taken at the right time can help balance your fat metabolism, contribute to the fat loss, and even improve digestion. Number 4, ghee's role in cleansing and detoxification. In the process of weight loss, detoxification plays an important role. So ghee, with its unique properties of sweetness, gentleness, and cooling effects, helps reduce inflammation, balance pitta dosha, and cleanse the digestive system. When combined with snehpana, it aids in gentle detoxification of body, allowing your fat cells to release toxins and burn fat more efficiently. Agni Deepanam, that is ghee stimulate digestive fire, is crucial for proper digestion and metabolism, which directly impacts your ability to burn fat and detoxify. Again, if you are unsure about the imbalances in your body, take a short questionnaire using the link in the description. You will get your answers instantly. Number 5. So is ghee a fat burner? Ghee can indeed support weight loss, but it is not a magic pill. By consuming ghee in the higher doses at the right time, that would be empty stomach first thing in the morning, you can encourage your body to burn fat more effectively. This practice aligns with the Ayurvedic principles that aim to balance your metabolism, enhance your digestive fire, and help the body naturally shed excess fat. However, for real fat burning results, it's important to combine ghee with healthy lifestyle. This means avoiding junk food, late night eating, excess sugar, and refined flour. These habits can undermine the fat burning effect of a ghee, leading to poor results. So while ghee is not inherently a fat burner on its own, but when used wisely as a part of structured routine, a balanced diet, it can absolutely support your weight loss journey. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you have any doubts, please mention in the comments, or you can DM us at our Instagram channel. We will try and answer all of your queries. Lots of love to all the beautiful souls out there. Namaste.